Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. What a green day today. After seeing so many red days in a row, like it feels so good like when on your portfolio, like each and every stocks are green and we had a massive green day and feeling so good, but just a caution that don't be super excited. That could be a fake trap again, because we were having so many red days and some people stopped buying the dips, so it could be a false trap again and we could see some red days again. When I was looking after market for some of the major index like SPY, QQQ, even all the stocks like we traded today, after hours are red. So again, like tomorrow, just do not jump with all your money you have. It could be a red day. Just watch for the first half an hour how the market moves. Maybe it will be starting high, then maybe it will come down, so just take some caution. Also, if you want, you can just make some day trading like using some call option or share. So in this particular video, I'll talk about Microvision. Today it has a massive green day. I think it was up like 20%. Even after market, this is up by 1%. So if you do not know what is Microvision, this is a tech company and they say they are an innovator in ultra miniature sensing and projection display technology. And I'm not going through what they does and what they do and what they don't, but basically if you go to their website, they have a nice video. You can watch the video, so I will just leave that up to you. You can go to their website. But basically one of the thing they are very famous, that because they have a lidar technology, because whenever you have an electric vehicle for self autonomy, it can be very useful, like it can detect and it can be useful. So there is always an argument that some big company they will buy Microvision, and this stock is also volatile. It can move a lot within a single day, so it can give you a lot of money if you can play properly. So in this video I will talk about the short interest, the price movement, support and resistance. At the same time, if you want to play with call option, then what is strike price and what expiry date it should be looking at. So let's look at the price action today. First of all, massive day, like 20%. Started like around 10:46. It came only for some time, then the bull run continued and it never came back. End of the day, it was consolidating sideways, and aftermarket this is also looking good. So overall picture, it looks very healthy. And if I go back to the chart, I will come back to the chart again. If I go back to the chart here, it looks really good. I will come back, but before that I want to show you two things. If I go to finviz.com, you can see the short float is like close to 20%. Also, if I go to Fintel, it reports 31%. Normally, like Fintel reports most up-to-date short interest. So if it is 31%, definitely there is a very high probability of having short squeeze, because when the share price will go high, the shorts, they have to cover their position and they need to buy back. So that is why this share can move a lot within a single day, and you can make a lot of money if you can play with shares or even with call option if you do not have enough money. And also I looked at shortsqueeze.com for MVIS. I can see there is an increase in short interest 17%. So previously 24 million shares were shorted, now this is 28 million, which means there is a 17% increase in short interest. So let's look at the chart first. So I'm showing you a chart in a 5-minute candle. On a 5-minute candle, you can see that today we came, it was almost the bottom, right? This area, you can see this is the bottom. So we were at the bottom. Then from the bottom, we started going higher and higher. And what happened? We stopped around 12.6. Why 12.6 is important? See, it was a previous support in this area, and also it was a support around this area. So it was resistance for some time, but because of the massive move, you see what happened. It went from 13 to 18 in one day. This is what I'm saying. It can move a lot within a single day. So currently we stopped around 12.6. So this, if we can break this resistance, I think the next one we will see around 13.7. See 13.7, it was a support at some time, then again it was resistance for some time. If I go back, you will see why I'm talking about 13.7. After that, the next move is 14.7. Again, you see there is a touch point here, a few supports here. also few supports here. Then you go to 15.7. So basically let's think about 12.7, 13.7, 14.7, 15.7. You can go just by one increment, and you can also look at around 18.69. So if you want to make a day trade, definitely pause the video and note the numbers, because you might see some resistance once it goes, and it might come back. So playing with call option, this is very important. So tomorrow, this is very important to see, can we go above 12.6? Maybe the pre-market we might be higher, or after market. So this could be a resistance, because 12.6, watch it very carefully. Do not start your position unless we go above 12.6. We might come back in the morning. So this is important before you start your position, right? So now let's look at our daily candle. So let's see on a daily candle how we are doing. So on a daily candle, the big picture, we went to 24 at one point, then some sell off, we came down. But the funny thing is, we came down, again we bounced off to 18.9, again we came down, again we went. So it seems like 18.7 looks like a good resistance for this particular stock. So again we came down, and let's see how we came down. So if I just draw what is called a falling wedge, I'm just trying to see the pattern, right? Yeah, if you look at this around this line, we're always below that line, and currently we are just about to break that falling wedge. So this is a good sign. If we can get another green candle here, we start around this area and go higher, definitely this is a confirmation we have broke the wedge. And if I just connect only the body, not the wick, and then definitely yes, because you see it came down, and around this area we made a support, a bottom. Now we want to go higher, so most probably we will go higher. Looks good. Looking at the RSI, still like we are below 50. 50 is neutral, we are below 50, but it pointing upwards, so looking bullish. And also this is the MACD. So overall it looks good. We are about to break out, but again, as I told, that it could be a trap. So watch for tomorrow. Watch for tomorrow how we move. We might be coming down for some time, or tomorrow there will be another bull run. Then definitely 12.6 will not exist. We will go even higher. We will go for 13.7 or 14.7. And the final thing I want to show you, how we want to how we can get some profit using some call option. So let's look at bar chart, and the implied volatility is 165. The next expiration date I available is 30 days from now, which is May 21st. So if you think it will go around $15, let's say, you can definitely choose $12 strike price. The bid is 2.45, meaning your break even is 14.5. So today, the people who bought it around $150, they made almost $100, and they got 61%, right? So you know the share price went 20%, but they made a profit of 61%. So this is the good point about call option. If you buy 100 share, you need to spend like $1,200, but here you are just spending $150, and you are just making 61% profit. So anyway, you have 30 days. If you believe it will go, you can choose any of the strike price here. All looks good. If I look at delta, anything around 76, 80, all looks good. The point is how much you want to spend. If you want to spend like $251, your delta is 62, so $1 move will give you $60, $2, not bad. So how much you want to invest for call option? Do not go too out of the money, because if in case it does not go, then you will lose everything. Otherwise, I think it is safe to play any strike price with 10, 11 or $12 because they will be all in the money. If you want, you can go a little far, maybe around 13, 14 or 15 maximum, but do not go more than that, because you see, if you go far, then your delta is less, also you're way out of the money. So anyway, up to you. It all depends how the market will open tomorrow. But look at the open interest here, right? So big numbers are waiting. They are betting the share price will go even higher. And as I told you, like this share moves a lot within the same day. It's a very volatile stock. It can move a lot. Lots of buyer can come, and it can push the stock upward. And also I want to show you the volume for today. So let's see what's the average volume and what was today's volume. So oh, is not loading. Let me look it from here. So MVIS, this is the last thing I want to show you. um I don't know why it's so slow, but I remember like it was a very good chunk of volume. Okay, why the internet is so slow? It should be very fast. I recently moved, so again, it's loading. Come on. Okay, finally. So the normal average volume is 13 million, and today almost double. It was like almost double. 23.5 million shares were traded. So almost double. Big volume came today, which is really nice to see. You can see a big candle here, but you see like whenever there are big candles, how the share price goes. Like 12 from 12 to 18, it was a big increase. So you see the big volume here, right? So we will see tomorrow how we play out. If we get a bigger bar than today, then maybe we will see around $15. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular video. I hope the information will be helpful for you to make a plan. If you can play with shares, definitely, or if you want, you can play with call option, but seems like this is a growth stock, and it has a nice support, nice bottom, I would say around $12, so not bad. So even if you want to establish some position around $10 to $12, this is a good time. If and definitely if you want to make some quick money, call option, this is how I will play with MVIS for now. And also if you're long term, then definitely grab more share, because this thing will again go back to $20, because previously you can see we tested close to $25. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. And if you find any information I presented here is useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also I have a Twitter page, the links in the description box below. I also have an account in StockWits, where I give some pictures at what price point you should be looking at, what is the support resistance during the market hour. This is more important, right? So anyway, thank you very much, and have a wonderful trading day tomorrow. Good luck and peace.